So I'm going to tell you how to make one of those videos. So you need to find a picture of the character you want first before you do anything. Then what you have to do is zoom in your picture from Google and then screenshot it. Screenshot the picture. And then you need to close out Google. Then what you would need to do is go to iMovie. And then click that big plus sign and press movie. Then what you would need to do is pick your Google picture and press whatever. Then go to the plus, audio or moments. Then click the song you want. Press this memos thing. Then if it would allow you to split this blue line and increase the time by a couple seconds. Then background the blue line and it'll turn to the green line. Then duplicate the picture a couple times and you'd be good.
But a wolf in sheep's clothing is more than a warning. Blah, blah, black sheep, have you any soul? No shirt, by the way, what the hell, they're more bullshit.
This is how you do extra work on making these videos. Press the plus and select a video or trailer. Start a new movie and put them in there. Delete parts you don't need. Add audio and text, and those are how you make theme song videos on YouTube. Also select the standard or simple font, and that's good. Okay, that's how you do it. Goodbye.